understand? The dark truth about money, or the rat race of money. See, most of us want to be rich. Most of us want get money, basa, to the extent say we don't know what we will take the money to. But the truth be say, most of us no get rich man mentality. You dey understand? Most of us no know how to use money. You dey understand? We dey use money like say money be commodity, money be food. We just dey carry am, then we chop am, then that's all. With that mentality, there is no way you go fit become a wealthy man. There is no way you be financially free. No. You dey understand? Day in, day out, you be living from paycheck to paycheck. You be working for pay to you get it. You be hustling, you be suffering day in and day out until you pass away. That be the hard truth, man, guys. See, today I want make we talk about how you go fit get money, then you grow the money, then the money become, you understand, become what you want. See, when I dey come, you understand, I get a lot of money. God bless me very early at my early stage. But because I was ignorant, because financially I don't have that financial brain, I wasted a lot of money. You get it? There are things we were supposed to be taught, but that was the mistake our father and our senior men did. They refused to teach us how to stay with money, how to use money, how to manage your money for you to become a better and a big man in future. That be the problem we get. So today, I want us to crash that problem. You understand? For us to know how to use money, how to grow money, and how to be financially free. That will be your utmost goal. That will be the target. Say you for create your worth in a way, say even safe, if you know the work, you get your freedom and everything. You get things where you could generate money, give you day in and day out. Charlie, without much talk, yeah, let's jump into it. No rich man they will wake up, no wait 10 rich man. Where out of 100%, it will be only 1%. Where maybe uncle be somebody leave some real be some property be down for that person. But with the 99 or we for both one award, you don't understand. That be why this topic be very, very important to me. Because most of us don't know anything about building wealth. With the thing say you just go work, they give you money. You get money, no, you for go buy what you like, you go buy food, you go there, no, you go waste the money. Most of the things we cry for, we use one money on, we want, it no be things we need. We dey understand. It no be things we need. Last I talk this matter, what some guy go tell me, we say, but if you spend money on food, you know be anything. I ask him, say, where you buy the food for? I say the good restaurant. So I tell him, say, yes, that be the only problem. Human being before eat, human being before spend money on food. But why that money you take go the restaurant will be times 3 or times 4 of the food you eat? Why you no go get that 1%? Go market, go buy the ingredients, then go cook your food yourself. With about these little things where it bring we down, where we know how to manage one money. See, without management, without proper planning, without arranging yourself financially, massa, you will be living from hand to mouth like that. With the back, there is no way you could just wake up one day, then money, then back and pour down, give you. That mentality will for change them. With the way we see money, no one then we won't spend them. That will be the way they handle money. If you won't be rich man, if you won't be rich man forever and ever, massa, you know, be God go take money from heaven can give you. It be your discipline and your mentality towards money. Guys, today I don't want to talk plenty, but this be some of the dark truths about money. Money they like tree. You dey understand? Money, if they think about it like seed, you dey understand? The more you as you plant them, the more you dey water them, the more you dey grow. As you plant them, that means as you invest them, You dey understand? The more you dey work towards your investment day in day out, then the money dey grow. This be some of the dark truth about money. Man guy, if you know all these things, where you get this mentality, where you know dey waste your money, but rather you dey invest every penny you go get, there is no way you go ever go broke. Charlie, without much talk, yeah, Bosleo be the name, aka the ghetto youth motivator, aka the girls dem are slayer. Man guys, if you know say today be the first time you dey watch my video, I beg you, join the channel, yeah, let's grow. We want grow the family. But if you know say you be member already to Charlie, salute, just share the video so say more boys go here, then they know how to manage their money. Charlie, peace out, Boss Leo.